Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Ansys HFSS on your desktop or laptop, whatever you used to use. For this, at first you have to choose a browser and then write Google, and in Google search engine you have to write Ansys. You have to write Ansys Electronics Desktop. This is the official website of Ansys company, and this company now provides full free version for students. And we have to click on this link, and this is the link where we can download our student free version. At first we have to the requirement of our configuration of laptop or desktop, whatever you use. Supported platform and operating system. It is Microsoft 10, 64-bit professional enterprise edition, and CPU for its Pentium 4 and 2 GHz 64-bit processor and 8 GB RAM, 17 GHz hard drive space. You require to install the software on your laptop or desktop. Okay, just clicking on this link, it just start to download. I have downloaded it in my downloaded directory, and I will go here now. I have skipped this step here, and I'm gonna go to download. You will find this folder on your computer after downloading, and extract this file here, extract here. It takes some time. Extraction until it extracts fully. You have to run folder extraction. Extracted, and we're gonna this directory, and here we will find this set of applications. We have to run it and administrator initializing installation, and I have to agree the terms and license agreement. And this is the part where it is gonna install I take it as default and click on next. It's gonna install in our directory or our computer. So it takes some time and I will pause video here. When this installation process is finished, I will again resume my video. Okay, welcome back. Now installation process has been finished. And just click on exit and go to my taskbar and search for Ansys electronic desktop student version. And I'm gonna go to the file location and unexport it, send to my desktop. It will create a shortcut on your desktop. Okay, see here, click on here. A new installation software and product has been detected. The library directory has been reset to those of the newly installed library. To change this, go to the tool option general option. I will not do anything here. I will click just on OK. And click on override. I am not willing to participate. Okay. Click on again on Ansys Electronic Desktop student version to 2025 R2 again. Just gonna start to the project and we can see here HFSS and also Maxwell, Market, iPad, Implore, and I'm going to click on HFSS and allow access. And this is what you see the previous version of HFSS. Hope that it is clear now to you how to download and install HFSS update version, student version, which is free. And thank you for watching.